Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's try-on haul transparent, we'll be reviewing a pair of pantyhose stockings, filmed in 4K detail to highlight not just how they look, but how they perform over time. This pair of transparent pantyhose is designed with everyday wear in mind. The waistband is soft yet supportive, holding the stockings in place without creating discomfort. The fabric weave is smooth and even, giving the legs a clean, polished finish, while its stretch allows natural movement throughout the day. Reinforced seams add durability, ensuring these pantyhose can handle repeated use without losing shape. In this hosiery try-on video, you'll see how the stockings adapt in different positions and lighting. Transparency gives a subtle, versatile look that works well in multiple settings, from professional attire to casual outfits. When compared with other hosiery types, the differences stand out. Sheer stockings provide a delicate finish, best for lightweight styling. Lace stockings bring extra detail and design for decorative use. Glossy pantyhose add a reflective shine that stands out under lighting, while nylon pantyhose remain a classic option for everyday reliability. This transparent pair offers a balance: simple, practical, and long-lasting. The real value of stockings like these is consistency. They deliver comfort, hold their shape throughout the day, and maintain a refined look that complements different outfits without overshadowing them. That's why they remain a staple in hosiery fashion and a reliable choice for many wardrobes. Thank you for watching this pantyhose try-on haul. For more hosiery fashion reviews, pantyhose try-ons, and stockings hauls, make sure to check the pinned comment for additional videos.